in the event that there are no documents subsisting, my client, this particular cause, has all the right number to see this court.
Two cases before the High Court that I've mentioned that are pending. One of them we are doing submissions. The other one is coming for hearing on 4th of October. In the circumstances of these cases, as he has
you say 4th or 20th? The first respondent here is restrained from violating the provisions of section 32, 4 and 5 of the County Government Act, pending the inter-parties hearing. It means therefore that Order 2 and 3 of the Notice of Motion dated 23rd September 2019 is granted pending the inter-party hearing dates on the date which we are agreeing here.